Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about why real estate makes ordinary people rich. At first, real estate may look like something only wealthy people can afford. But in reality, many ordinary people build wealth through property slowly over time. The reason is that real estate combines several powerful wealth-building tools together, such as leverage, rental income, appreciation, tax advantages, and long-term equity growth. To begin with, real estate is powerful because you can control a big asset with a smaller amount of your own money. This is called leverage. For example, if someone buys a $300,000 property with a $60,000 down payment, they are controlling the full $300,000 property, even though they did not pay the full amount up front. Because of this, if the property value increases by 5%, the gain is based on the full property value, not just the down payment. So the owner benefits from the growth of a much larger asset. This is one major reason property can build wealth faster than simply saving cash. Next, tenants can help pay the mortgage. If the property is rented out, the monthly rent collected from tenants may cover part or all of the loan payment. Over time, every mortgage payment can reduce the loan balance. As the loan gets smaller, the owner's equity in the property grows. In simple words, equity means the part of the property you truly own. The formula is easy. Property value minus loan balance equals equity. For example, if a property is worth $350,000 and the remaining loan balance is $240,000, then the owner has $110,000 in equity. After that, property values can rise over time. This is called appreciation. A home may be worth one amount today, but after several years, it may become more valuable because of location growth, inflation, demand, development, or market conditions. However, property markets can also move up and down, so appreciation is not guaranteed. But over the long term, value growth is one of the main ways real estate can create wealth. At the same time, real estate can also create cash flow. Cash flow means the money left after collecting rent and paying expenses. For example, if monthly rent is $2,200 and the mortgage plus expenses are $1,900, then the cash flow is $300 per month. This extra money can be saved, reinvested, or used to improve the property. In addition, real estate may offer tax advantages in some situations. These can include depreciation, expense deductions, mortgage interest benefits, and capital gains advantages. But tax rules vary by country and personal situation, so every investor should check the rules carefully before making decisions. Then, as time passes, the loan payoff creates more equity. Even if the property price does not rise quickly, the owner may still build wealth because the loan balance is slowly being reduced. So, the combination of loan payoff and property growth can increase the owner's net worth. Another reason ordinary people become rich through real estate is that the process can be repeated. First, they buy one property. Then they build equity. After that, they use their savings and equity wisely. Finally, they may buy the next property or improve their current investment. By repeating this process with discipline, many people grow wealth step by step over many years. However, the smart approach is not to buy property based on emotion. You should start with numbers, not feelings. That means checking the purchase price, rent, mortgage payment, taxes, insurance, repairs, vacancy risk, and cash flow before buying. Also, keeping cash reserves is very important. Property ownership comes with unexpected costs like repairs, maintenance, vacancy, rate changes, insurance, and taxes. If you do not keep extra cash, even a good property can become stressful. Most importantly, real estate is usually a long-term game. It is not about getting rich overnight. It is about using leverage carefully, collecting rent, paying down debt, growing equity, benefiting from appreciation, and making wise decisions over time. So, the main takeaway is simple. Real estate can make ordinary people rich because it combines leverage, loan payoff, appreciation, rental income, tax benefits, and time. But it also includes risks, financing costs, vacancies, maintenance, taxes, and market changes. Therefore, the best strategy is to understand the numbers, manage risk, and think long-term. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, tax, or investment advice. Always do your own research and speak with a qualified professional before buying or investing in real estate. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.